Hello crochet lovers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet perfect shaped granny squares. Actually, most people know how to crochet classic granny squares, but I want to show you some tricks. I tried several methods, but this one is the best way to make perfect squares. Also, I'm going to show you how to hide or wave the yarn ends when you crochet colorful granny squares. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. I try to find easiest and fastest projects every week for you. I'm waiting for your support. Also, you can leave comments if you want me to show you any crochet or knitting pattern. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna start with magic circle, but you can also start with chain 4 and join with a slip stitch. To make a magic circle, wrap the yarn around your fingers, pull up a loop, hold like this, and chain 6. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 together, and make 2 more double crochets. Now we have 1.5 cluster. Chain 3, yarn over, and make 3 double crochets into the circle. By the way, I forgot to tell you about my yarn and size of my crochet hook. I have medium-sized scrap yarns and 3mm crochet hook. If you have scrap yarns, you should use them. Chain 3, yarn over, and make 3 double crochets into the circle. You can use these squares making blankets, scarves, shawls, ponchos, hats, whatever you want. Chain 3, and we have 3 clusters now. Make 2 more double crochets into the magic circle. Pull the yarn, close the magic circle, and join with a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. And complete the 1st row. Now you have a small square. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. I'm going to show you the difference of with chain 1 and without chain 1. This is the important part. Cut the yarn. I have a tapestry needle. Insert the needle through the chain, through the previous chain of the joining chain, like here. You can see the legs of chains. They have 2 legs like this, like V shape legs. Insert the needle into the V and pull through. Second step, Insert the needle into the middle of the joining chain and pull through the yarn again. This way is less obvious. This was chain 1 finish method. Now I'm gonna show you how to do seamless finish. I cut this yarn without chain 1. Insert your needle into the same chain again. Go through the yarn. Go through the chain. Second, insert into the middle of the next chain and pull through the yarn end. That's it. You can see the joining point. We have perfect little square. Finally, go through the double crochets. And done. Now we have magic circle ends left. Go through between the stitches all the way around. And pull tight. Go through when you feel secure. Cut the yarn and finish. Okay. Row 2. Insert your hook into any space and make a slip knot with color B or different color. Pull through the same space and chain 6. Yarn over and make 3 double crochets into the same space. Chain 2 or chain 1 if you want solid square, yarn over and make 3 double crochets into the next space. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets into the same space. This is our corner. Chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into the next corner. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets into the same space. Chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into the next space. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochets into the same space. Chain 2 and make 2 double crochets into the next space and complete the last row. Join with a slip stitch into the third chain. And cut the yarn. As we did before, complete the last stitch with the yarn needle. Hide the end going through the stitches and cut the loose ends. And don't forget to weave the magic circle end. Voila! Perfect shape square. Row 3, change color and make a slip knot. Insert your hook into any corner and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yarn over. Make 3 double crochets into the same space. Chain 2. Make 3 double crochets into the next space. chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into the next space. Chain 3, and make 3 double crochets into the same space. Chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into the next space. Repeat this pattern all the way around and chain 2, make 2 double crochets into the next space. Join with a slip stitch into the third chain and cut the yarn. You can also weave the ends with crochet hook, like this. And our perfect shaped granny square is ready. You can make as big as you want. I haven't decided what to do with these granny squares. In the next videos, I am gonna show you how to join these granny squares. I am planning to show you different joining methods. Keep following and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.